Do not remain with your mouth shut. Do not stay silent without saying anything, God. Do not remain like this without doing anything. Look, your enemies are rising up. Those who hate you are lifting themselves against you, raising their voices. They are secretly plotting against your people. They are joining forces against those you protect. They say, come, let's erase their name from among the nations, so no one will ever remember. There is a place called Haiti.
Please, have mercy on us. Rise up and defend us. You alone are all we have. Our eyes are fixed on you.
They are forcing us to leave the country with gangs. They are killing us in large numbers. They unite and share one purpose. They agree to band together against you. Dominican Republic, United States, France, United Nations, CARICOM, along with the corrupt politicians we have to destroy your people.
Please, have mercy on us. Rise up and defend us. You alone are all we have. Our eyes are fixed on you.
We know it's because we abandon your laws, your commandments, to go worship other gods who can do nothing for us. Rise up and deliver us, just as you delivered our ancestors in Egypt. Open our eyes so we can remember who we are, descendants of the children of Jacob, so we may return to your law. Then you will deliver us. You will gather us from among the nations.
Please, have mercy on us. Rise up and defend us. You alone are all we have. Our eyes are fixed on you.
Our leaders and our politicians have sold us to other nations. They have handed us over to corrupt oligarchs. At your feet we cry, Ahaya. Say a word, Father. Say a word. God who made heaven and earth.